Hey everybody, how are you? I'm here with a quick Dollar Tree haul. Look at these cute chair pads I bought. Look at how stinking cute. I grabbed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I grabbed 6. You know what? They're expendable. For $1, if they last the season, I'm good with that. So, yeah, I was trying to work on the backyard the other day. But honestly, I feel like it rains every day. Every day we have some kind of a storm. So I haven't even finished everything in the backyard yet because there's been no days. All right, so I want to show you what I got. Just some fun stuff. I'm gonna get in on that scrap swap. So I grabbed 3 boxes. I'll probably do 2 and then 1 for myself. That's what I'm thinking. And then I grabbed some laces for the guys' work boots because you can never have enough. And I've never noticed these in Dollar Tree before, so I grabbed them. Then check these out. Fingerprint kit. I had to grab 2 of each. Then I got invisible ink, and I got the sketch. These are for my nephews for birthday gifts because they want to be like their Uncle John, my husband, who was a crime scene detective. So how cute are those from the Dollar Tree? Then I got these. Actually, the girls were in the pool Vinny's birthday, so that was Saturday. The girls were in the pool Saturday, so I figured I'd grab some balls at the Dollar Tree so that they could play. Then, here's some fun stuff. I grabbed that for outside to match those. How cute, right? For around the barbecue. The dishcloth. Then I actually grabbed these to clean the computer screens and the flat screens. I've never noticed these before, but 25 sheets for $1 at the Dollar Tree. I was like, wow. So I think tomorrow I'll go around and clean every monitor and every TV. I found some really cute washi tape. Look at that. Aren't they cute? And then they didn't have much in stickers, but I did grab those. I thought these would be really, really cute on rosettes. How cute would these be? Even rosettes in a card. So I grabbed those. And then, look at these. I grabbed 2 of the teal. Love those. These are the flat back pearls. And I grabbed a red one. And then these are the gems. And I grabbed green and yellow. Figure I stock up for Christmas. Yay! Okay, then I have to show you. I grabbed 2 more of those. And 1 of these. And I'm thinking, I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet, but this one, I will do a giveaway. I don't know when though, but I promise this is going to go to somebody. And then last but not least, look what I got. I got me a Mickey Mouse bag. Isn't he cute? They had these up by the register, and I was checking out one day, and I was like, oh, I don't feel like getting back online and buying it. And I looked today, and they had it. So I got it. Yep. It's a Dollar Tree haul. All right, everybody. Have a great day, and I will see you all real soon. Bye.